Hi guys, today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I literally just got back from the store and you know how it goes. You go for one item and then you come out with like 15 because you know it's $1. That's exactly what happened. I went in for a broom and I came out with like 15 other items that I don't really need, but you know, I just couldn't really pass up. Some of the stuff I bought because I want to try it out and let you guys know how it works as far as cleaning. Other stuff, there was some Easter clearance that I totally forgot about, and then some organizing stuff and some random stuff. So anyways, let's get into it. So like I mentioned, I bought a broom. I want to try out, a lot of people have been talking about using this to clean their tub, using this part to like scrub the walls instead of like getting you with your hands. And I think that sounds so much better than just getting in with your hands and scrubbing and sweating to death. So I want to try it out and I'll let you guys know how it works. I'm going to do a bathroom deep clean and organize video pretty soon. So that's what I'm going to try out with this broom. Just a quick little Easter clearance thing they had. All of their Easter stuff was 50% off, including like decor as well as candy and stuff. The only thing that I found that I really wanted was, I try and look for things that aren't actually like seasonal looking, like they don't say Easter on them, and the only thing I found were these napkins. They are very colorful and springy like Easter, but they don't say anything Easter related on them. So I got 2 packs of these. These are 18 packs each, so they were 50 cents or $1 for both of them. I got a couple of organization bins that I might use when I reorganize my bathroom. So I got 2 of these white ones. These are like, I would say they're probably sturdiest ones, and they have like grips on the bottom, and then they have like a rubbery grip thing on the or on the inside. And I just got 2 of these, and we'll see. I don't know exactly, I didn't measure, but I was like, it's $1. If I don't use it for this, I'll just use it for something else. And then I got these 2. I really wanted like a white or clear color, but they only had this and red, and I really didn't want red. So these are just a little bit larger, and I thought if maybe I could either fit like one of these and one of these, or I don't know. We're gonna just kind of see how it works. But again, they were $1, so it really doesn't bother me if they don't work. So I decided while I was in the store that I wanted to get some cleaning products that I've heard really good things about and kind of test them out for myself and give you guys maybe a review or like a Dollar Tree cleaning product like test, I don't know, something like that. So I got a couple of things. The first thing that I've heard great things about is this LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner. I've heard a lot of great things, especially from Do It on a Dime, which I'm pretty sure you guys have all heard about her channel. So she used to talk about this. Well, she still does talk about this and how she really likes it. So I really want to give it a try. It's a really big bottle. It's 32 ounces and it's only $1. I also got 2 different packs of detergent pods. I really wanted to try out these versus like the Walgreens brand I have versus the Cascade brand, and maybe do like a comparison video. So they're each 10 pack. This is the Fab detergent gel pods. These, like I said, is a 10 pack, and then this is the Ultra Shine detergent pack, which I think is just like the Dollar Tree brand. So they each have 10, and I might do like a little comparison video for you guys. I got a 3-pack of these quick erasers, which are basically like magic erasers. I have never bought them from the dollar store, but everybody says that they're literally the same. So I decided to get a 3-pack. They had 2 packs. I was like, why would I get a 2-pack when I can get a 3-pack? Another thing I wanted to kind of compare is the these are Scrub Buddies Wet Sweeper cloth refills, and basically like Swiffer cloths, but I want to compare them to the Swiffer because, you know, 10 for $1 versus 20 for like $5 or $6 or $7 would be a lot cheaper. So if these are good, I'm definitely gonna buy these instead. And I got these Nonstick Scrubbers. It's a 4-pack for $1, and I've always wanted to try these out. Everyone says they're good for like their cookware or even like in the bathroom. So it comes in 4 different colors, and I thought maybe I'd like assign each one to a different room and just test them out and see how they are. If you guys have seen like any of my decor videos, for some reason I love dish drying mats. I think they add so much like little bit of cuteness to your like kitchen, even though you don't really have to add any decor, and you can change them out seasonally or every week, whatever you want to do. So I've been like slowly collecting these, and I found this super cute one. It has watermelons, lemons, and I think limes on it, and it was just $1. Change it out with the season, and so this will obviously be like for summer, and I'm excited to see like how big it is and how cute it looks on my counter. I got this 120 pack of clear push pins. I want to hang some lights, but I don't have any clear push pins, and I don't want like the colored pins to stick out. But this is a 120 pack for $1, which I thought was a really good deal. And I got this 300 count cotton swab pack, which I didn't know they had a 300 count. I thought they only had a 100 count. So I most likely will be buying my cotton swabs from the Dollar Tree from now on. But these are great for cleaning, like getting in really little like corners, or even like if you're doing your tub, getting like in the tile and stuff. It really works. So if you guys don't have cotton swab just for the purpose of cleaning, I would definitely recommend getting some. If you guys need some cleaning motivation, don't forget to check out these 2 videos right here, and they will give you plenty of motivation. And I have a bathroom cleaning coming up soon. I have a fridge organization video coming soon, so I have plenty more motivation for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.